Righto, the infamous Bannerman Track. Man, I've had some troubles on this one. I've had some spills, I've had the bike break down. There's a big muddy hill at the end. Yeah, trees across the track, got around them. Had all sorts of issues on this track. I think Matty calls it Oz ADV Rider Hill. Oh. Yeah, my only concern will be Eddie's tyres getting up the hill. Depends how muddy it is. Yeah, I think this way. Go in that rut. I think we just go straight. Couple of roots in this one. That's the log I got, yeah, I had to go around one day. Good to see that's been cut. That was a while ago now. Yeah, this could be fun. I normally go to that left, but I've got a tree there. We'll go to the right of that, or the left of that, sorry. Actually, we'll go around that. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all today. Now we go to the right. There's a big step up here. Oh, well, now I go to the middle actually. Yeah, nice. Keep going, keep going. Now this is where I go to the right. Because of that step there. One up, two up, 1, 2, 3, 4. He's coming. Oh no, it's the enduro bike. Still got one more, haven't we?
Still there.
Yeah, it's nice one. Here he comes. Oh, good job. You've done well. Awesome.